And then where do I have to write the answers?
This one? Yes, you have to find out the answer of this question. Let me try to solve the first question, right? Okay. So the equations given that this is sec x plus 2 is equal to negative 19, right? First of all, you will shift this 2 to the right side. It would be 6x plus 2. Plus 2 would be uh, shift to the left side. It would be negative like this one. This is negative 19 and it would be negative 2, right? Okay, here 6x is equal to negative 19 and negative 2 is equal to negative 21, right? Because negative and negative would be positive. Is it clear or not?
Yes.
Okay, now I told you that this 6 and x are multiplication with each other. This is multiplication because here is nothing, so it means that these are multiplied with each other, right? So that's why you have to be divided this x both side. 6 divided by 6 as well, like this one. 6 and 6 are cancelled with each other and x is equal to, the answer of this question is negative 21 divided by 6. This is the required answer of this question. Is it clear or not?
Okay.
Hmm?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now let me solve the next question, like question number C. Mm, here, this question, right? So the question is 7x minus 4 is equal to 23. What is the first step? The first step is to shift the constant to the right side. If there is nothing with the values like 4 is individual, that's why we just transfer this 4 to the right side. So it would, for example, 7x is equal to 23 plus 4. You see that this is negative, so it would be positive, right?
Yes.
This is plus 4. Okay, now 7x, and here is 23 plus 4, 27. Okay, you just divide this 7 both side. So here is 7 divided by 7 and here is 7 as well. These are cancelled with each other and the answer of x is 27 divided by 7 is the required answer. Is it clear or not? Okay. Now let me give you the next question. You have to solve this question by yourself, right? Like 5x plus 3 is equal to 15. Solve this question.
Um. 15. It will be 12 over 5. X equals 12.
Yes, you just do this.
Um.
Yes, good. Very good, got it. Very good, yes. Okay, let me give you the next question. Like, this is 3x plus 5 is equal to 22. What would be the answer of this question? Question is double three. Second one dash two two. This is the recover value का अपन जब वही करना है ये चीज ना कैसे ये तो ये उल्टा होता है तो ये थर्टी टू क्या है जैसे कि जरूर पूरा होता है ये लेस देन इसी जगह पे ब्रेक पॉइंट हो जाएगा हो गया कि 5 जो हो गया प्लस 3 हो गया वापस ऊपर में ग्रुप में वापस इधर चलो देखो बिल्कुल very good.
Done.
Yes, very good. Got it. Now let me give you the next question. Like, okay, you just try to solve this question number D.
D.
This one. This one. Okay, you can just free here your question. Which question? Question number this one, right?
Yeah, D.
No. No. Isn't it? Got it. Yes, it's correct. Okay, now the next question number E, the next question. Can you do this question?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, and yes, are you doing this question? Yes. Okay.
Um, okay, I forgot. Negative 3. Negative 3.
Got it. Go ahead. One by three. Three होने से लेकर आवाज इसमें कितना
4.
होगा? Solution.
Alright.
Three पे लिखो. Three पे लिखो. Three पे लिखो. क्योंकि इधर आवाज आ रही है इसका लिखना आवाज आ रही
I don't get it.
है. Okay, got it. Yes. Now let me give you the answer. This one, the question number E, you just try to solve this question. What is the answer of this question?
Um, it's negative. No, I don't.
What are you doing? I don't see you on the board. Yasmina?
Yeah.
I can't see you on the board. What are you doing? Can you see this question, this one, or not?
No. I don't get it.
Okay, no problem. Let me solve this question, right? So you, if there is some problem, you just try to solve this question step by step. After that, it will be easy for you. Like this one, this is 18. You just go to the question, 18 minus 7x, and here is negative 3, right? Now, what is the transfer? This is 18. 18 would be transferred to the next side. Can we transfer x with this number? So negative 7x, and here is negative 3, negative 18, right? And here negative 7x into negative 18, negative 3 is negative 21, right? Okay, now this is 7x here and 7x here, negative 7, negative negative plus, this is cancelled here, and 7 x is cancelled, and this is 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3, because 7 times 3 is 21, right?
Yeah.
So answer of x would be equal to 3, right? Okay, now let me try to the next question, that is, now you will read this question, the next question.
5x. 5 minus x plus 4 equals 25.
Yes, right, this question and solve, try to solve this question by yourself. Yes.